mouse is way too slow. Let the magic keyboard glow. Press the keys, watch your work go zoom by.
Wow, that looks like fun!
Let's dance and learn together.
Press Ctrl A. Grab it all. Every word jumps to your call. Press Ctrl F. Detective time. Find your words, quick as rhyme.
Press C to copy, make a twin. Press V to paste, let fun begin. 1 becomes 2, then 3, then more. Clone party dancing on the floor. Press Ctrl X, snip snip, hooray. Your text runs Z, rewind the show. Back it comes, nice and slow. Hit Ctrl S, don't delay. Save your work, hip hip, hooray.
Now you're fast, a shortcut star. Smarter, quicker, yes you are. Use these keys and you will see a computer pro you'll always be.